again guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we're going to do another recreation inspired by Michelle D, and she's the first ever Filipina I've ever followed. So if you wanna keep on watching, then let's begin.
So first,
I did was spray a cloud mist. I don't have that product, so I'll just use whatever spray I have here.
Thank you po. So ito yung gagamitin natin today.
This is just to hydrate the face. So, for the concealer, I'm using this. She said that it's okay to use an eye primer, pero since concealer yung ginamit niya sa video, then we'll use concealer too.
Actually, pwede kayong gumamit ng eye primer. Yes, kasi yun talaga
go over the lid
eye primer. So, right
and
now,
under the eye.
Cream foundation. It's not a concealer or it's not
Make sure that you tap lightly because the skin there is very sensitive. You don't want to cause premature wrinkles, so gently.
Tayo ng powder.
Then the next step is to set the concealer with translucent powder. So let's do that. Instead of powder, I'm using a skin tone eyeshadow. Well, it's also doable for powder. So comes the tricky part. I don't have the exact shade that she used, so I'm going to custom made my own. So I'll mix this and probably some of this and some of this to achieve that transition shade that she used. So first I'm going with the violet shade. Oh, I think this will do. I just have to build it up. And I'm using a fluffy blending brush. So the way she did it, she scattered it in her transition area messily. And please do take note that I'm extending it towards the inner corners here. I think the shade is doable already, the purple shade, so I'm not going to custom made. Luckily, I'm just going to build it up. Using the same brush, I'm just going to get the shade and a bit of the shade and put it on the outside part. So let's see if we can achieve the same color.
Ang maganda nga dito is parang
yes, I think
mix ka lang ng mga colors na gusto mo. Walang rule talaga na kailangan
just on the outer part.
Ano lang yung ma-feel mo.
So just mixing the two shades together. I don't know if the color is seen, so I'll just build it up like so. This is from her latest video, by the way, and I was so inspired by her galaxy theme, and I just said I want to do that too. Even though I have limited supplies of colorful shades, but well, girls got to do what the girls got to do. So using a darker blue and with a pencil brush, let's concentrate that on the outer parts.
So gagawin
Is that this shade? Yeah, I think so. We'll just build it up. Don't take it too high up. Just do it here on the outer parts. I don't know if you're hearing me because there are so many trucks passing by, and you gotta do what you gotta do. And if the shadows earlier are blended out, just reapply so that you'll get your desired intensity. Same concealer we had earlier.
Natin guys is kung
We'll
mawala
just
tayo ng
apply it
concealer,
on the
pwede yung
center
ginamit natin
part
kanina or pwede yung ibang klaseng
with
concealer.
a
Lagyan natin ng
brush.
concealer dito sa gitnang part.
Like that. Then, we'll take this blue-green shimmery shade on top of that concealer on the center of the lid.
Green.
So,
Oh my god, look at
Yes.
that color.
can you see that? I can feel the
Para tayo
mermaid
nagmi-mix ng mga
vibe
mermaid colors tsaka
going on. Oh. So just press it on that concealer. The concealer allows the pigment to stick better. It acts like an adhesive.
and just brush
Using
all
that
around
same
para to
pencil
make
brush
sure na
with a
maganda
bit
yung
of that blue
pagkaka-mix.
shade, just go over the lines so you'll blend the harsh edges out. Like that. And if you need to, go back with that center shade and just put some more.
So here I'm just using the MAC wipes.
Get a makeup
para i-clean up
wipe
natin yung mga
and just
gilid-gilid.
clean the
Bago tayo
fallouts.
mag-move on.
Like
For sure,
so.
sobrang daming nahulog kanina ng mga pigment. So let's clean that
With
up.
my Maybelline eyeliner,
Alright guys, so now maglalagay
let's
lang ako
duplicate
ng
that
winged eyeliner
very
para lang
thin
makakapitan yung ating
eyeliner
false
she
eyelashes.
had
Siyempre,
on her
mag-false eyelashes
video.
pa rin tayo. Pero as
So
much as possible,
she
don't make it too thick.
specifically indicated to make it
Sobrang
super thin.
nipis
So
lang, ah.
super thin is the goal. Like me, I'm super thin. A little bit of a flick and then connect it inwards. Then she put
Maglalagay
on
lang
some
ako
false
ng
lashes.
false eyelashes.
The dilemma of the century. Good luck to me.
Oh, diba? Ito na
Ah!
yung chance nyo para
False lashes
gamitin yung
done.
false lashes na
And
hindi nyo
then, what's next? Let's add a bit of a highlight. So, what did she use? I know, it's key
For the
powder,
kilay,
so I'm
I'm going to
using my
use powder lang.
EB Advanced Kit.
Ang hirap talaga, no? Pag yung
Again,
hindi mo
I'm not
sinusundan
going
yung normal
to
na
attempt
routine mo sa pag-makeup.
to
yung hindi-
recreate
hindi mo.
her brows because we have different brow shape. So I'm just going to do my brows as close to hers as possible. Cara.
Then, kukuha tayo na
Same old Nichido
using
brow
the
gel.
Gimme Brow from Benefit as always. Now, let's
For foundation, I'm going to use the Beauty
continue
Perfection.
with the rest of the
And
face. Gagamitin ko today is
the Beauty
NYX
Blender.
Stay Matte but Not Flat and my Real Techniques Sponge Blender.
This one has a matte finish, but it's not totally flat. So it matches the NYX foundation that Michelle D is using. Concealer, I'm using the
Maglalagay tayo ng
Maybelline
concealer
Fit
or
Me
slash highlighter
in the
para sa
shade
under eyes.
Sand.
And here I'm
And
just
then
using the Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer.
draw a triangular shape, just like what she did. Under eye and the rest of the face that we applied concealer
Don't forget to
with
set yung
my
under
trusty
eyes. I'm
Nichido
using
powder.
Becca
Since
setting powder.
Becca is
Well,
too
kung hindi ginamit
expensive,
ko,
we'll just roll with it. As long as it does its job properly. I don't know how to speak anymore. Then that's fine. Same colors we applied a
So,
bit
tatapusin ko na lang muna ang aking eye
earlier.
makeup. At lalagay ko yung mga
We'll
same
replicate
colors
it
na
in
nilagay ko
our
kanina.
lower lash line. Apply mascara on the
So,
bottom
hindi na ako
lashes.
maglalagay
I
ng
quite
kahit
like
ano
this
dyan, ang mga black
Essence
kineme. Mascara na lang kasi wala
Lash
na.
Princess
Wala ng
mascara
space.
because it builds from
Siyempre, for this look, I'm
light
going to use
to
the Pan Gal Bang,
maximum
ang Out of This World
volume.
mascara ng Benefit. Siyempre, dahil we're doing an Out of This World look.
Just be careful not to touch the skin underneath. Contouring.
So, Full
So,
Sense Sleek Silhouette palette. Tagal ko na rin siyang hindi ginagamit and this time, gagamitin ko na siya.
Blush, I'll be using this.
And then, of course,
And
blush. Pwede
just-
kayong maglaro sa blush.
Wait,
Put
put
some
it
purple or whatsoever.
Not on the center
Meron
part,
ako dito,
on the outer part. Essence
Ultra
Pure
na
Nude.
highlighter.
And
Gagamitin
put
natin siya
some
as eyeshadow
highlight
at
on
ilalagay
the
ko siya
inner
sa
tear duct.
Inner tear ducts.
You can wet your brush for a more metallic effect. I lined her lips with something
Ito
and
na,
I
so
don't
rinetry
have
ko na
that
rin lahat ng
shade,
mga pwede kong
so we'll
gamitin
just
na
use
pangalip.
a
Ilaline ko
brow
lang ang
liner.
aking,
I don't know if this is safe to use, but
using this Out of This World liner ng Huda Beauty,
Let's
which
experiment.
is this shade Silver. Tayo nito. Ito
that
parang shade na ng
liquid
Maybelline
lipstick
New York.
from
This
Maybelline,
is
but I
like
have
deep
a
purple.
burgundy shade and it's
Grabe na
burgundy
mga
blush.
nilagay
It's
kong
one of the creamy mattes, so
lip
let's try. Akong gloss, so
Lagyan natin siya
mag-DIY
ng
tayo.
mga parang Galaxy
Petroleum
Red. At
jelly.
meron ako dito mga ito, parang lip strobes ng Huda Beauty.
Huh? Ito lang sa
And ito pa, sa pang lip strobe.
dyan na heart. Ito, itong ginagawa ko. Oh my god, ang dami. Final part. Ay, baliktad. Yung concealer na
Ito na,
white.
this is it.
Tapos,
Get
ginamit niya pang
white eyeliner,
drawing.
maliit na brush, tapos magdodraw tayo ng mga stars. 1, 2, 3.
bila. Tapos,
Shit.
star.
Oh, cute! Hindi ko mapigilan yung sarili ko. Ayan, dyan din. Star. Oh my God, hindi perfect yung mga
Dahil-
stars ko, pero dead man na.
Tiny dots lang everywhere.
Yan na yung ating eye makeup for this look. Oh my God, I'm so...
It's the final look. I hope you guys liked it as much as I had fun creating it Feeling ko tuloy para akong character ng, ano yun? Barbie. Sabi ng roommate ko, Barbie daw. Ayun. Yung parang, wait lang, may mermaid na movie nun, di ba? Hindi ko din maalala. Basta yung mermaid na Barbie. Pwede din namang alien galing sa Star Wars. Ewan ko. Pero, I really enjoyed doing this video along with Michelle D. And of course, I would like to greet her a happy birthday. Kung sakasakaling makita niya man yung video na to. Happy birthday, Michelle D. Alam ko, kasabay ng International Women's Day yung birthday mo. So, I hope that you enjoy your birthday and continue being a good example for us women. Continue to empower women through your makeup tutorials. Kasi alam ko, isa din yan sa advocacy mo nung nag-start ka on YouTube. So, yeah. This is the final look and I hope that you liked it. Please click the like button below if you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And comment on any suggestions regarding future videos as well. I might do a requested video someday. Before this video ends, I would like to share this quote with you. Life does not have to be perfect to be wonderful. Life is full of ups and downs, so all you have to do is to enjoy the ride. Whether there are tough times or there are victorious times, there's no reason to stop whenever you have troubled times. All you have to do is to remember that it will pass and someday you will be happy again. Always choose happiness. So, dito lamang po nagtatapos ang video ko. Bye! See you in my next video. Mwah!